What is the Business Automation Roadshow? Hi, I'm Andy Griffith. I'm the owner of 𝗨𝗨. The Business Automation Roadshow is your live in-person workshop. Unlike other events where you go and hear a bunch of hype messaging and hoorah-rah, you end up leaving with a 30-page to-do list of ideas that end up going nowhere. We're actually doing in-person small group workshops where you're going to apply what you're learning so that when you leave, you have an actionable AI and automation system built for your unique small business. And why is this important for you as a small business? We have a deep burning feeling that Wall Street's coming after Main Street. We hear it all the time. They're buying up our small local businesses, often operating under those same business names. And we're here to bring the fight back to empower the local business owner to compete with the big game players in a whole new way, because thanks to automation and AI, the playing field is now leveled. And we're going to give you the tools, not only telling you what to do, but helping you apply it for your business so when you leave, you're ready to compete in the great game of business. So inside the Business Automation Roadshow, some of the things that you can expect to take away from that is almost imagine that you have your own personal AI assistant. I like to joke that it's not a warehouse with a bunch of robots inside. This is software that plugs into your business and what you're currently doing, but it's going to enhance how you do it to buy back more time. Automation may sound like a long word, but really it's simplifying your systems and processes. So you can have things when you think of an AI assistant, what does that do? So imagine a person that always answers the phone. So if you're not able to get to it, you have voice AI to have conversations, answer questions, and to actually help them book a callback with you or members of your team. Imagine that same person, if you will, when I think AI as an assistant, is listening to your social media channels that can screen those facts and again, either lead to booking a call or just answer your customers or potential customers' most important questions. One thing I like to say about business is people can try to copy what you do, but they can't copy the credit you have. What do I mean by that? It's online reviews. So with the power of online reviews, not only can our system help ask for reviews so you get credit for the work you've done, but it can respond to those reviews on behalf for you. So it shows that you're engaging the customer base online. So that's just a few of the things that you're going to walk away with when you attend the Automation Roadshow. What we're going to be doing with that is also giving you an annual email nurture series. So whether they're a customer, client, or potential lead, you're staying top of mind and on their radar throughout the year. So maybe if now isn't the time to do business with you, when later is, they think of you first. Now, if you can see behind me, we personally invested in an RV to bring this workshop to you in your city and your state. To find out more, you can visit our websites where you can see what cities and what states we're going to be in, but also let us know what cities or states we should be in. You can find out more at automationroadshow.com. Now understand, these are purposefully small workshops because we're giving you a system that you're going to leave with working. Instead of trying to sell to hundreds and thousands of people, they're small and intimate on purpose. So make sure you reserve your spot while spots are available. So that way you and your business have a level playing field while we as Main Street owners and operators take the fight back to Wall Street.